Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to list the content of a folder using CLI on Ubuntu. Are you ready? So let's get started. As you know, uh, press Ctrl Alt T will open the terminal on Ubuntu. So Uh, now I will show you how to list the content of the folder. I have a folder on my desktop which is final. So let's check how we can list the content using CLI. Okay, so let's check where I am right now. So I'm not on the desktop, but I have to change it into desktop. Now I am on the desktop and I have a folder. So if you want to list the content of the folder, you have to go to this folder cd finally. Okay, cd finally, and now by using ls list the content of the folder. Okay, press enter. So I have three files and one folder which is music. This is a folder and this is text and test.txt, the index.txt, and file.txt. And that's how you can list the content of a folder on Ubuntu using CLI. And there is another option which is ls and space l. Enter. You see more details about the file and folders. Yeah, the permission of user group and others. You see everything using ls space minus la. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, drop them just in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.